This is a very bit different one. uh, we will discuss now virtual reality. Although many of you might have heard about virtual reality, augmented reality was a rather new experience for all of you. But many of my friends, they might have heard about virtual reality, but you might not have visualized virtual reality. So, although it is not possible for me to uh, accurately show you the virtual reality, yet I will try my best again today. And what I need again with you, you need your smartphones with you, because I will be telling certain things to download, and you will be watching the non-virtual effect, and I will show you the virtual effect. And today's lecture is basically a hardware-oriented lecture. We're going to develop one device called cardboard today. It's a very interesting device, and I have made 2 3 cardboards also, which I will show you with the passage of this lecture series. So let us move forward now. Is my voice absolutely fine? Is there any echo for it? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir. Perfect, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. I hope good number of participants will join during the due course of time, because most of them might be having their lunch or some other assignment. So we'll proceed bit slowly, then have some gain pace. In this lecture, we will watch a lot of videos which I have made, which you people will love to watch them. And I hope the sound effects are good. And let's hope that all of you are listening this lecture with your headphones, because there are some good sound effects also added here, and it's better to watch this lecture in with headphones. So let us move forward now. What we're going to discuss today. This is an entirely different topic. The morning one was this left hand side, and this is the right hand side. They both are apart ones. We'll discuss about Google Cardboard. We'll discuss some physics. Today we will go to our class 8 standard of CBSE or NCRT school, and we'll discuss something very good thing we have studied there. We will recall that thing. I will tell you certain things which are required to make the Google Cardboard, and by spending rupees 200 or to maximum 300, you can make this device at your home itself. My dear friends, even if you go to McDonald's or a Subway, there also you spend minimum 500 rupees. And by spending rupees 200 to 300 at a very simple cost, you can effectively make this device at your home itself and show to your kids, show to your students, and watch the very fantastic virtual reality effect. Okay, we'll discuss the working and construction of the Google Cardboard. We will watch, there are numerous apps, I will tell you, around 25 to 30 apps I will show you. Some of the apps will open here also, and we will also watch the applications of the Google Cardboard in the various fields. You might be surprised to know one of the video which I am going to show. It is about how virtual reality is able to uh, assist you in meeting uh, those people who have died, the loved ones we love. We'll watch at the end of this lecture today. So let us move forward now. I always believe in, whenever some sort of FTPs or IS programs are being organized, what I feel that the learning is not for just for getting the certificate, uh, but to increase the employability of our stakeholders. So this scenario of the virtual reality and augmented reality has gone with the speed of a rocket since 2019, when the COVID-19 started in 2019 in December. From till that date, till today, the speed has been increasing to with the speed of a rocket. You can find the number of the jobs in this sector, like the UX UI designer, game engineer, sound effect specialist, mixed reality artist, technical 3D artist. There is a website called virtualreality.news.net, and where you can get some recent survey about these areas where the job scenario has increased with the speed of uh, rocket, and it has been assumed that by the 2023, means the next after 2 years, the lot of enterprise applications are going to come in this scenario. And the batches which are going to pass in the next 2 years, if they are guided properly about these upcoming technologies, their placements are going to be very good one. For the job scenario is very good for those people, at least for the next 2 years. What are basically the jobs in the AR and VR sector? This is just a idea about the virtual reality and augmented reality. We are going to start VR very soon now. There are a number of companies in India also, and in outside India also. Eon Reality Bengaluru, HTC Software Development, Siemens India, Mobac, Unity Technology, Amazon. They all need very high quality and good quality engineers. Just wait for 1 second. Just small call, an urgent one. I'm sorry, there was a small call from my college. So, so the number of the jobs in this sector is very growing at a speed of a rocket. You can find out the number of companies which are providing this job in this sector. So I always try to correlate my lectures with movies. Virtual reality actually it means in Hindi when we speak virtual mean, can somebody tell what is the meaning of virtual? Dr. Swasti, can you tell what is the meaning of virtual world?
Virtual world in the sense it's not real world. It's
Yeah.
opposite of real.
And reality
Let's say.
mean? And in reality mean?
Reality, the sense what actually exactly we are seeing in front of us.
Okay. Ma'am, do you understand bit of Hindi? I'm going to speak 2 words on Hindi now.
Okay.
The name of the word is jhootha sach.
Jhoota matlab
Lie.
it's a lie.
Yeah,
Such
sach
means
means true.
truth.
So the word is very abnormal one.
Yes.
Virtual reality is jhootha sach.
Okay.
You're watching something, but it seemed to be real, but it is not real.
Not real.
So that is jhootha sach. Okay. There was a small movie which came in 1970s. The name of the movie was Jhootha Sach. Since this more of now due to this pandemic, everything has gone virtual. You are watching me in your computer screen, but I'm not present in your computer screen. My virtual image is present in your computer screen. But in reality, I'm sitting at my home, at my place. So what happened in this movie? Let us recall that movie because this is a Hindi movie and many of my friends are from South India. You might not have seen this movie. Just see here what happened in this movie. I'm not going to show the movie now. The name of the movie was Jhootha Sach. Jhootha Sach is the alias name is virtual reality. What happened in this movie? The name of the movie star is Dharmendra. You might know everybody. There was a double role of Dharmendra, and one Dharmendra was a dreaded bandit, and the actual Dharmendra was a father of 2 kids, and he died in some accident in that movie. And the relatives of the actual Dharmendra, who were having kids, they request the dreaded bandit to become their father, and he agrees to impersonate their father for a sum of rupees, say 3 lakh rupees, that I will stay with these kids, and the kids will hate me, and then the kids will slowly forget their father. This was the essence of that movie. The kids start presuming that the dreaded bandit is their father, but in reality, he was not a father. He was not his father. He was not their father because he was just having the face similar to their father. The child artist in the movie were given feeling that this actual Dharmendra is their father instead of their actual one who is a dreaded bandit. So this is the best example of the virtual reality, which is called Jhootha Sach. Because the father, why it was called Jhootha, why it was called virtual? Because he was having the face similar to their father. And why it was not reality? Because he was not their father. So that's why the name is misnomer, Jhootha Sach. So this is the best example of virtual reality in the classical sense. Dr. Swasti, is it clear? This meaning?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move towards another movie now. We'll watch another movie now, a small movie, where the actual concept of the virtual reality is used here. Okay, let me ask someone else now if they are listening to this lecture now. Saraswati E. Saraswati ma'am, can you please acknowledge me? Is my voice audible? I want to ask one question from any of the participant. By chance the name of Saraswati ma'am came in front of me. Okay, she is not there. Suganya ma'am, can you please unmute yourself? Suganya. Okay, Suganya ma'am not responding. Many of friends become tired. Bharat phone was not responding in the morning also. Bharat sir, are you there? Please, can you unmute your now? Okay, Shobana ma'am, Shobana Thangavali, Thangavali. Shobana ma'am, can you please unmute yourself? Or someone please come willingly. I want to ask one question from any of the participants. Dr. Selvi is here. Dr. Selvi, please do the favor for me. Otherwise, I will keep on asking names. Anybody, please. This is also a very interesting session. If you want to enjoy that, please be interactive. D. Chitra. Chitra ma'am, please unmute yourself. Anybody can. Anybody please unmute. Pardon? I'm not able to. Pavanji. Okay. Dr. Swasti, please do the favor again once
Yes,
again.
sir. Yes, sir.
Many of the friends are sitting virtually or they just feeling shy, do not want to talk to me. Anyhow, okay, no worries. Ma'am, do you remember which was the first 3D movie you have watched in your life?
3D movie, I watched something in
First,
Tamil only. Tamil only
no,
I watched.
first 3D movie of India. Do you remember? This is a
Oh,
small GK question we generally
no,
ask.
sir. I don't know, sir.
Okay, in fact, it was a South Indian movie. The name of the movie was Chota Chetan.
That was My Dear Kutti Chatan. That
Yeah,
was the movie name in Tamil.
yeah, might be.
Huh.
In Hindi, its name was Chota
Chota
Chetan.
Chatan. Yeah,
Somebody has
Pavan is
written.
answering. Pavan
Yeah,
is answering.
Pavanji,
Pavan sir.
please respond in the group with me only. Thank you, Pavanji. So, my dear friends, Chota Chetan was a 3D movie, and ma'am, this is a first movie called Phobia. It was a movie which was based on virtual reality, and it released in 2019. In this movie, what happened in this movie? We will watch small virtual effect in this movie now. We will watch this movie in a 3D fashion now, but with some virtual reality. Just wait for uh, just 1 minute. What happened in this movie? The makers have incorporated virtual reality in technologies in this movie. This movie was released during lockdown period. I think in 2020 it released, just last year only. The character was Radhika Apte. He's a famous movie star, Marathi star. She was an artist by profession and she suffered from some disease called agoraphobia, where a person become fearful when he or she sit alone at their home. So all the fears, they keep on talking to themselves only. So this sort of a problem is being seen in those patients. So we will watch this small movie and I will show you that movie in a 360-degree fashion. It is not a normal video which I'm going to show. Let us see that video first. Uh, this was a poster of that movie. Dr. Swasti, have you seen this poster
Yes,
at any
sir.
point?
I have seen this poster, sir.
Okay, but you might not have seen that movie now.
No, movie I have not seen.
I'm not going to show you movie. Just going to show you 30-second clip of that movie with the virtual effect we have created. Do you
Okay.
remember in the morning I created UV map?
Yes, sir.
What was UV map? I rotated the mobile from one
Yeah.
direction to another, and you were able to see the 360-degree view of your complete UV map.
Yes.
Now we are going to watch that thing, but with a different perspective now. Okay. Let us do copy this link. We will resume after 1 minute. Then please confirm is the sound audible or not.
Yes, sir. I'll confirm.
Because I need bit of sound also in this scene. Just a ma'am, sound is okay?
No,
Although it is ad.
sound is not coming, sir.
Okay.
Hi,
Is it okay now?
Yeah, now it is coming, sir.
Okay. Now watch this scene.
I'm so glad that you're here.
Let me maximize it.
It's very lonely sometimes, you know. कि मैं घर के बाहर तो जा नहीं सकती. So,
Actually, on increasing the size, it get paused. It's just are you able to see the 3D?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm able to see. Yes. Okay, upside down.
such a mess because the neighbor's cat keep. Did you open the door? So it must.
So let us resume back now.
Sir, sir, you are on mute, I think.
My voice.
Your voice. Now it is coming.
Okay. Ma'am, what was happening in this movie? The directors of the movie has incorporated virtual reality technology in this
Okay.
in that movie. And if you, I was doing some movement with the help of my cursor.
Yes, yes.
And if you wear some device on your head, you have to just sit and relax and keep on moving your head this side or this side, up and down. The complete screen of the movie will revolve in the 360-degree fashion.
Okay.
Otherwise, generally these screens are of 2D only, but this was a virtual reality movie based on VR effect. The complete movie was available in a with a 360-degree video. But due to its since it was released during lockdown period, many of the cinemas didn't open that time. So the makers also released it the non-virtual mode of that movie. So luckily, I found this small video where the movie can be seen with the help of a VR effect also. So today we are going to develop one device which we can wear on our head, just like a small helmet, through which we can watch this any VR effect very effectively.
Okay.
So this was the concept of this movie.
Okay.
Coming to my last movie, because I always believe that movies are very simple things to correlate any concept. Okay. In the morning also I added certain small movies, but now this is the last movie, which was a very famous movie. You might have heard about Ravan.
Yes.
You might have seen also. Many of my friends have seen also Ravan movie. What was happening in this movie? Just a recap of that small story. The Shah Rukh Khan, the famous movie star, was a game designer. He is a virtual reality game developer in that movie, and he creates a motion sensor game. If you remember in that movie, and he created one character called Ravan in that movie, and Ravan was made more powerful than the other protagonist in that movie called G1. It was another game character. And what happened? The farmer escapes from the game's virtual world and it enters into the real world. And his aim was to kill Lucifer. Who was Lucifer? Lucifer was a game ID of Shah Rukh Khan's son in that movie, who was operating G1. Okay. Now, what happened further? The family is forced to bring G1 from the virtual world, and G1 virtual and this virtual character G1 fights with the virtual character Ravan, and they together fight. I'm not going to discuss the further movie, but my dear friends, you might have got some idea that how virtual reality has made advances in our movies also, right? From the Jhutha Sach to Phobia to this Ravan. So today I'm going to talk about a device through which we can visualize this virtual reality effect in our real life also. Because just speaking that how these are virtual effects, these are a VR effect we have created, Without visualizing them, without feeling the virtual reality effect, the lecture motive doesn't succeed. So today, the lecture will be very different one. You people will be really able to watch virtual reality if you can able to make that device. And I will guide you how to make that device in a very simple fashion. Okay, let us proceed further now. We are going to start the actual lecture. This was just a ground of all those things which we are going to discuss today. So what is virtual reality? We discussed augmented reality in the morning. Uh, it's a nice thing. Around 32 participants have joined till now. So the numbers are increasing now. So that this is the actual lecture which I'm going to start now. Virtual reality is a computer generated artificial environment. We can generate any images, we can perceive sound, we can add sensation. And unlike the augmented reality, which we were able to visualize without any device, to watch the virtual reality, we need certain devices on our head, which we have to wear it. There are very good questions coming in my mind, which I want to ask. Apart from Swasti ma'am, if you uh, agree to my request, whom so I call. So please be attentive. Very nice questioning I have in mind, which I will discuss with you. So, what is a virtual reality? Virtual reality is a computer generated environment, but which cannot be watched with normal eyes. You need certain additional devices to watch the norm to watch the virtual reality, and that device is called Cardboard or a Google Cardboard. You might have heard about Google Cardboard also, but unless and until we understand the concept behind the virtual reality, its working is just a small fun for us, because we all are engineers and we all are professors. So the actual crux behind the virtual reality we will discuss today. And this is a very important concept. When you are going to make the curriculum also, you have to add this topic in your curriculum also, that the principle behind the virtual reality. Okay. So what is basically virtual reality? Virtual reality is going to stimulate the physical presence in an imaginary environment. You are going to create some physical presence in some other environment. And any person who is wearing that VR equipment on his or her headset is able to visualize that effect. And that devices are called HMD, head mounted devices. You might be thinking that it's a very difficult task to bring wear a normal thing on our head, but that will cost just only 100 grams, or 100 or 150 grams. Even our caps, which we wear in winter, are of 200 grams. So that's not a big deal to wear on our head. These devices through which we can visualize and interact with them also. But for interaction, my lecture is not in that scope, but I just want to tell, if you want to interact with a virtual object, you need VR gloves also. There are VR gloves available in the market through which you can interact with the virtual objects. Okay. So let us proceed further. What basically is a head-mounted devices? Head-mounted devices are some pair of display screens. See, you can see I have spectacles in my hand. These are pair of screens which I'm going to wear uh, on my ears, and through which uh, there is this through these spectacles I'm able to watch the world around me. Okay. So these HMDs mm, are being compatible with the mobile phones also, because basically these HMDs are used to visualize the virtual reality videos, which we will play in our mobile phone. We will develop certain VR application in our which we will play in the our mobile phone, and then we are able to watch the VR effect around us. I will show you many things which you will watch at your computer in the non VR form, and but I will watch them in VR form. And for you people, I have done screen recording and I will show you how the VR effect is being visualized. Okay, these are some virtual reality headset. I already have this headset. Can somebody confirm me? Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. So this is a normal VR headset, and this cost rupees around 2,000 to 2,500, with the specifications or the images you are seeing in the slide. They are very costly one. First is Oculus Rift, 21,000. Second is Carl G Cinemizer, and third is Sony HMZ, which costs rupees 56,000. But this is a very simple one, and it costs rupees only 2,500. I bought it a few months back when I was starting virtual reality, and you have to move this screen here. You have to. This is the interface. Can somebody see? This is the interface through which we have to place our mobile phone, and we will be playing the virtual reality video here. And then we have to close this. You have to wear on this thing like this. Can somebody acknowledge me? Are you able to see me?
Yes, sir.
Because I'm my
Yes, sir. I'm able to. We are able to see, sir.
okay, we have to sit like this, and we're going to play some VR video in our mobile phone, and similarly we can enjoy. You can just sit and relax and keep on watching. I can easily watch that Phobia movie through this VR device. But my dear friends, I'm not going to tell you about this thing. This thing cost was around 2,500, and if your budget is very less, you just need to spend 200 rupees. You will make that thing today. Although this is another advantage, it is having a very good high resolution, but considering the cost factor involved, and if we want all the student can make very comfortably, so you can have this also in your laboratory in addition to the Google Cardboard, which we are going to make today. These are some other HMDs available, but most of these are having the cost in rupees 21,000, 13,000, 66,000, 18,000. They have some additional features also. So the basic feature is to watch virtual reality, which we can easily watch with the cardboard, which we will make today. So we're going to make a cost-effective device today. It's called Google Cardboard. It is a low resolution HMD. Are you able to see the lenses in between this thing? Somebody please confirm. There are two lenses fitted in here.
Yes, sir.
There are two lenses.
Yes.
These lenses have a very high resolution, and the VR effect is very nice in this HMD when I watch it. Okay, but the Google Cardboard has small limitation now, because this is a device cost rupees 2,500, and we are going to spend rupees 200 only. Okay, so the basic motive is we want our students to be very good equipped with the VR effect, so that they can visualize the VR effect very easily. So most people do not like to spend 2,500 or rupees 13,000 to 65,000 on watching virtual reality. So who envisaged this idea? The idea was developed by Sundar Pichai, the famous CEO of the Google, IIT Kharagpur alumni. He's an Indian, we all know him. And his idea was that people should be able to watch the virtual reality at a very low cost. So there were two engineers in his firm, in his corporation, David Coz and Damien Henry. They were the first person who developed this idea of making the Google Cardboard. And it was a head mounting devices which was compatible with smartphones. Uh, we will download many VR related videos, but when you watch it, there you will not watch any VR effect. For watching the VR effect, you need these cardboards. But after the end of the lecture today, hopefully you people will be able to make a very simple cost-effective device, which is quite similar to this one. You can see here, this is cost of this 2,500, and we'll able to make just this by spending this 200 only. So the basic aim of Sundar Pichai was to develop the interest uh, among every person who can watch virtual reality with a very low cost uh, price. Okay, you can consider it as a small minor project for your kids or students. In fact, I told in the morning also that we have a lab of augmented reality and virtual reality, and we don't purchase any Google Cardboard. I just give my lecture to the students and tell how to make them, and then within a span of 2 weeks, they are able to make the good Google Cardboard. The only thing is that they should have some good drawing and artistic skills. Okay, so this cardboard can be used for entertainment. We will watch this thing. This cardboard can be used for training, for education, for virtual walkthrough. Many purposes are being solved. The teaching pedagogy is also changed. We'll watch these things today. Okay, let me take some rest now. and I want to ask some question to one person now. Very interesting question coming to my mind now. Bala Subramaniam sir. Bala Subramaniam sir, please do the favor. I'm very tired and I want to take 1 minute rest with your interaction. If you agree to my request.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bala Subramaniam sir, I'm going to ask one question. Please don't treat it as a test for you. Just your perception, just your idea, what you think. Bala Subramaniam sir, do one exercise with me. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Close your right eye.
Yeah.
Now see, look at your room. Just like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now close your left eye.
Yes.
Look at your room.
Yes. Done.
Okay. Bala Subramaniam sir, tell me, apart from cosmetics, cosmetic means सुंदर दिखने के अलावा, ठीक है? Why the God has given us two eyes? एक तो है कि
To see
सुंदर
the
yes
to
yes
see the real world the way it is.
sir, एक आंख से भी देख सकते हैं. We can see with one eye only. God ने भी कोई टेक्नोलॉजी सोची होगी. The God might have also thought about yes. स्वास्थ्य में मैं will interact. Just wait. I
Yeah.
have more interaction with Bala Subramaniam sir. Any idea, sir? Why God has not given us 4 eyes, or 3 eyes, or 1 eye? चलिए कोई बात नहीं.
Okay.
No issue. Thank you, sir. Yes, someone else apart from Swastimani ma'am. Then we will have a chat with. This is a very interesting question. Something related with physics. Something related with virtual reality. Okay, Swasti ma'am, you can continue.
Sir, the third dimension, that is the depth, will be seen if we open both eyes. If I'm
Exactly.
correct.
You are 100% correct, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Bala Subramanian sir, also for joining me. Actually, what happens, Bala Subramanian sir, when we look at the left part, okay, I'm doing the experiment again. I'm closing the right eye. I'm getting the right perspective. I'm closing
Yeah.
the left eye. I'm getting the left perspective. Okay. When we open both eyes, when we watch something, now do one thing. Your both eyes are open. Okay.
Mhm.
Bala Subramanian sir, can you see here when you close your one eye, you can see image, left side of the image. And when you close the right eye, you can see the right side of the image. But tell me one thing. You have two eyes. Are you able to see two images?
Sorry, sir. Can you able?
God has given us two eyes.
Okay.
Are we able to see two images of a single object?
No, only one image.
I will show you two images today.
Okay. Through
We
the
will show.
technology.
I will show you two images today, and then
Mhm.
I will combine them. Two images. You will agree that you are watching two images, and then I will combine those two images to give a depth.
Okay.
So this is the left side of the brain.
Mhm.
This is the right side of the brain, and this
Yeah.
is the depth part, 3D part. This third
Yeah.
part. When
Yeah.
we combine the left and the right perspective, the depth part, the image the image also get depth, and watching this depth is not through the normal eyes. We have to wear a HMD like device on our head. Okay. Revati ma'am, please mute your mic.
ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாரு ஒரு மேரேஜ் அதுக்குள்ள போகும்போது தான் தெரியும் இவருக்கு.
Ma'am might be driving and her camera is on. Okay, no issue. Bala Subramanian sir, please interact once again.
Sure, sure, sir.
Actually, sir, what happened when we wear this HMD on our head? I'm going to wear once again. When we are going to wear HMD, see here, there are two lenses in this image.
Yeah.
There are two lenses, and
Yes.
through two lenses, I'm going to see the left image. I'm going to see the right image, and this virtual reality, it creates a depth to the image, and this depth is the key factor of the virtual reality.
Okay.
As I earlier promised with you today,
Mhm.
that I will show you certain videos which will be two videos, not two images.
Okay.
And through when you are going to watch through this device or through the Google Cardboard, which you are going to make, you will watch one image only, one video only. In reality, the normal thing which we visualize in our everyday life are not the virtual things. We watch the real things only. That's why
Okay.
we are not able to perceive the virtual reality.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, my dear friends, let us come back now. Let us discuss something which we studied in class 8 standard. You might remember there was a chapter in our physics class. The name of the chapter was optics. The name of the chapter was optics, and in optics there were two concepts. One was called refraction of light, and one was called focal length. I hope you remember. And if there is any physics teacher, my task will be very bit easier for me. One was refraction of light. What was refraction? Refraction was bending of the light on changing the medium. Suppose a light travel from the rarer medium to a denser medium, the light bends. And the other was focal length. So let us show you these four examples. Swasti ma'am, can you read out the four images conditions?
Object beyond 2f, image real, inverted, and smaller.
Come
And
next.
object at 2f, image real, inverted, same size. And the third one is object between f and 2f, image real, and then inverted, larger. And the fourth one is object between lens and f, and image virtual.
Image
direct.
virtual, image, just take a pause here.
Yeah.
Fourth is very important. This is the concept which we are going to use today. We are going to place the image between the lens and the f. There is a certain distance here, and the output will be, image will be virtual. Virtual image will be, we are going to watch it. The image will be erect. Erect means straight. It will not be inverted, and larger one. You will watch a bigger image as compared to the normal size. So, ma'am, this fourth concept, which you have studied in your class 8 standard. Okay, let us discuss this fourth case in detail, ma'am. Okay, ma'am,
Yes, sir.
please, can you see here? This is a small lens which I am placed here
Yes,
because
sir.
now I'm going to start the construction of the Google Cardboard. So we are going to use a lens into making it this Google Cardboard. The focal length of the lens we are using is 4.5 centimeter. I will tell all those things in detail. Don't worry. Just this is a small example. This AB is the mobile phone.
Mm.
Any video being played in the mobile phone. Any virtual reality video. Okay.
Okay.
Bala Subramanian sir, when we are going to play that video will be, there will be two videos.
Yes.
You will be watching two videos. Just wait for 20 minutes. I will
Okay.
show you two videos in your mobile phone, and then I will
Okay.
show one video in my mobile phone. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And this is a there you will watch two videos, and those two videos will be combining into to make it one. And that one video will be a bigger image, virtual image. Why virtual, Bala Subramanian sir? Why virtual?
Sorry, sir.
Why we are calling it virtual? Why virtual? Because in reality there will be two images.
Yes. Yes. So we combine the two images into one, so that becomes a virtual.
In reality there were two images. In
Yes.
reality the size was small. In reality the size was small. In reality there were two images. But
Okay.
when you visualize through the Google Cardboard, you will watch one image. In reality there were two. Okay? In reality there were two, but you are
Okay.
watching one. In reality
Yes.
their size was small, and you are watching a bigger size. So
Okay.
this is called virtual. This was not real. Okay.
Okay.
That's why
Okay.
the name is called virtual reality. Some reality which you are going to see, but which is not existing in real life. It is existing virtually only.
Okay, sir.
So
Sure.
I hope the name virtual reality meaning is now clear.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay, my dear friends, I'm continuing with what a discussion done with Bala Subramanian sir a few minutes back. The virtual image A-B-, which we are going to make in this previous slide. A-B- is the virtual image which we will make in our next step. Our eyes form two images with slightly different perspective. I will show practically also. This is slide number 20, and I will show slide number 65. Bala Subramanian sir, please remember when we reach to slide number 65. Don't worry, there are slides are just a number only. There are
Yes,
number.
yes.
Okay. So what happened here? Our brain is when we watch to a left eye, we get a left perspective. When we watch to a right eye, we get a right perspective. Our brain acts as a microcontroller and it processes these two images and create a depth. And this depth is called immersion effect. And this immersion effect is called virtual reality. But my dear friends, to watch virtual reality, you cannot use normal spectacles. You have to use this device to watch those two images combined into single one. In reality, we are going to watch two images only, but when you are watching through the HMD, you will watch the single image. So this is the principle behind the virtual reality. I hope the meaning and principle is clear. So we are going to start the Google Cardboard construction now. And since this is a virtual mode of interaction, so I need someone to assist me in its construction also. And Swasti ma'am is doing the favor for me in the morning itself. So ma'am, please do the favor once again.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Anybody else also can willingly join because I keep on requesting many friends and most of the people either they are just joining virtually or they are muting only apart from Balasubramanian sir, or there were some participants in the morning also. So if you want to join me, then also you can raise your hand. Otherwise, there are a number of things which I'm going to ask now again. So let us start making Google Cardboard now. If we have
Okay.
conducted this FTP in the virtual, in the physical mode, so I must have guided you about making, and at the end of this lecture, we could have made 20 to 25 Google Cardboard very easily. But anyhow, we have to bear with this COVID-19 effect and this virtual mode only. So uh, Google has made the list of the parts in a public domain, freely available on their website, and you can just assemble certain things, which I will tell you. Uh, what good thing you can do with the Google Cardboard? You can create any virtual reality based video. Although I'm not going to discuss the VR tools today, I will discuss in the morning AR based tools. There are certain VR tools also, but to visualize the AR tools, you need virtual reality cardboard. So there are certain tools like Blender, Guri VR, Unity, and I hope some of the other speaker might discuss in this FDP. Okay, you can have a screenshot of this thing. If you are having a child of who is studying in 8th standard or 10th standard, please tell him or her to make this cardboard. It's a very interesting and very mm, scientific thing to make a cardboard. Now I'm planning to make a device called Foldoscope. Foldoscope is a some sort of a microscope which can be made by cardboard also. So in my coming next to 2 months, possibly I will make a device called Foldoscope and through the cardboard itself. So right now we are going to discuss about Google Cardboard, which I have made also, and I will show you with the passage of time. For you people convenience, I have taken the screenshots of my construction whenever I did it. So what things we require? We need cardboard. So ma'am, cardboard is easily available at your home.
Yes, sir.
You might be doing shopping from Amazon many times.
Yes, yes. So
Okay,
many
so-
cardboards are available.
Yeah, so many cardboards available. Even if the cardboard is not available, go to the local station shop and spend ₹20 only to get a A4 size cardboard. Sorry, A3 size. A3 is a bigger one.
Mm.
Pair of lenses are important, Swasti ma'am. And from where you will get the lenses? The lenses we require are the focal length 4.5 centimeter and diameter 2.5 centimeter. Ma'am, from where
Okay.
will you get the lens?
Uh, I don't know, sir. I don't know
I
the
will tell
place.
you. You will get the lenses from the local optician
Optician. Okay. Okay. Okay.
or some good stationery shop,
Okay.
or physics lab of your college.
process.
So all of you might be having physics lab and
And
request.
and
All of you might be having physics lab, so you can request your physics teacher that please provide the focal length 4.5 centimeter and diameter 2.5. Other specification will not work, and otherwise you can buy it from Amazon also. They cost for just ₹100. They
Okay.
cost just ₹100 for 2 pairs.
Two pairs.
Means
One
okay.
pair is only 50 rupees.
Yeah, one pair. Okay, and other thing is you require magnets. Magnets are optional even in this local from which I purchased from the market. The magnets are not there, but you can skip the magnet. I will tell the purpose of magnet later.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have Fevicol at your home.
Yes.
You have scissors also at your home.
Scissors. Yes.
And
Hook.
hook and loop fastener. Loop and loop fastener is a Velcro tape.
Velcro
tape
type.
is a, you know what is Velcro tape? It's a
Yes,
black,
sir. Yes, sir.
black strip sort of tape.
Uh-huh.
And rubber bands are easily available. So what money do you need to spend? You need to spend
Only
on lab.
for lenses.
Yeah, and magnets also if you are able to get them.
Get
And if you are not able to get magnet, then also no issue. We will make the cardboard. Okay.
Okay.
Chaliye. These are the things which we will make with the passage of time now. You need a mobile phone. You need rubbers. These are Velcro tape, black strips.
Okay.
These are the lenses.
Okay.
And this is a cardboard which
Cardboard.
already have been cut down in certain shape. Don't worry, I will tell what is the shape now. Let us move forward now. Okay, you can use file cover also. We are all professors and we have a lot of file covers in our
Yes.
offices, so you can cut it. Okay, so at least 10 rupees or 20 rupees file we are already having every time in your offices. So we are going to turn your boring smartphone into a cool VR headset now. You will
Okay.
watch a very good thing now. The important thing is that the cardboard which you're going to use should not be a very thin one or very thick one. Do one thing, pierce one pen in between, and it should not get outside from the other part. Means it should be corrugated one.
Okay.
Corrugated
Okay.
one means the cardboard should not be very thin one. It should not
Okay.
detach itself. It bit a thicker one, but similar to the people which these Amazon people use. It can be easily fold also, because sometimes when you fold the cardboard, it gets crack also. So don't use that cardboard.
Okay.
It should be some sort of elasticity must be there in the cardboard.
Okay.
These Amazon people use corrugated cardboards. These are very common, easily available from the stationery shop. Lens is a tricky component. I'm again telling you, the lens which you're going to use cost rupees 50 mm. When you go to a optician, tell him that we want a circular lens. They can make at that moment only 4.5 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter diameter, and they will charge 100 rupees for getting two lenses. Otherwise, there are ready-made lens available from some shops or in physics lab of our colleges also. Okay, these are biconvex lenses. You have to get it. Don't compromise on the lens focal length.
Focal length.
Apart from 4.5 or 5.5 or 3.5 will not work. So most important is the focal length. This should be 4.5 centimeter. Okay. And our phone is to be placed at 3 centimeter. Ma'am, can we measure how to measure 3 centimeter? Don't worry, there is no need to measure something. There are ready-made templates. We will do that thing.
Okay.
Just wait for 1 minute now. These are two magnets which if you are able to achieve it, if you are able to get it, then it's very fine. I was not able to get magnet. I have tried a few times, but not I'm able to. Sometimes I got some zinc, some polycarbonate magnet. This neodymium and ceramic disc magnet. These might be getting from some very good science experiment lab shop. There are some shops in your town who used to sell that science lab related equipments. They people do have these things. So
Okay.
generally you might not get from a local stationery shop, or so of course you need to get from some good shop. Even if you're not getting it, then it's not also not a big deal. I will tell you what is the purpose of magnet. Okay, for time being, just keep in mind neodymium magnet and ceramic magnet. Velcro, I've already told you. We need a cutter also. One cutter, some
Knife.
knife, not knife. Some not knife. It's called X-Acto knife. It has a very pointed edge.
Okay. Okay.
Because cutting has to be done very minutely. Some artistic skill have done. We have to cut the cardboard.
Okay, sir.
Chali. Okay, ma'am. This is the template link. I will send the link to Shobha ma'am. This link through which you have to download 3 printouts now.
Sir, you are sharing this PPT also, no, so that
Yeah.
steps also will be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now there are 3 templates. All of you are professors and you might be having printers in your offices. So you have to take print out of 3 pages. See here, this is the first page.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you see there are certain red lines here?
Yes, I can see 4 red color lines here.
And if you have a black and white printer, what you will do? You can use you can have a red pen and you can
And I
highlight
can.
the red. You can overlap the black pen with the black lines with the red lines. This you
Yes.
need to do. You have to do this thing. Okay. Second comes This is the second part.
Just we have to cut the red color.
No, I'm not telling cutting.
Okay, okay.
I'm just showing you
Oh,
the
sorry.
printouts. Can you see, ma'am? There is a one written here. One is which
Yes,
is
yes,
written in dark.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. On the right hand side.
Yeah. This is the second printout you have to do. Do an A4 size paper. This is the third printout.
Okay.
After taking these three printout, if you have a color printer, then it's fine. If you have using a black and white printer, then please mark these red lines with a red ball pen. Okay.
Okay.
So now you can see here, there is a one again written here. One was
Yes,
written
sir.
previously.
Yes, sir.
One is written here. Two
Here.
is written also. Two is written there also.
Yes.
The golden rule is you don't have to cut any red line.
Okay.
If you cut any red line, then you will not be able to make the Google cardboard. Other golden rule is that we have to get a cardboard. Just see my gestures only now for timing. I have a small video also, but just follow my gesture. Just take a cardboard. On the cardboard, first paste this first printout. Paste it.
Okay.
Okay. These circular, this circle is the lens part. You have to do cutting with the
Okay.
help of knife.
Okay.
This is again, these four parts again you have to cut down. These are notches. These are again you have to cut down with the
Okay.
help of knife. Means you have to pierce the knife inside the cutter and you have to remove from
Remove
it.
this.
Let me get it out. Okay.
Yeah.
Second thing is we have to overlap. This is one with a dark color.
Okay.
This is one with light color. This is two with dark color. This is two with light color. And this third printout has to be divided into two halves. Upper part is a separate one. Below part is a separate one.
Separate.
You have to overlap this dark two on the lighter two. And the previous one, this previous one has to be overlapped with the dark has to be again overlap with the lighter one. Just
Okay.
keep some imagination. I will show you a small video, then we will come back. Please, everybody watch this small video. This is provided by Google. Although I have written steps also, but we will resume after 1 minute. And please confirm is the video visible or not.
Yeah.
Google even provides a print
Yeah, it is visible and audible, sir.
Okay, great. Please listen this video, just a small 2 minutes video only.
template and a bill of materials to help you make your own cardboard at home. Here's what you'll need. A piece of cardboard at least 22 inches by 8.75 inches, two 2-inch strips of 3/4 inch wide Velcro, one 3/4 inch neodymium ring magnet, one 3/4 inch ceramic disc magnet, two biconvex lenses, roughly 45 millimeter focal length, and optionally a rubber band and an NFC tag. Additionally, the tools you will need for this project are an X-Acto knife, a straight edge, Scotch tape, some spray adhesive or contact cement, and you may also find some super glue handy. Begin by downloading the manufacturer's kit directly from Google, linked below. Extract the zip file, open the scissor cut template, and print the 3 pages. Use a straight edge to trim away the excess paper from the templates, and use tape or glue to connect the 3 pieces of the main body template together. Align the corresponding numbers over one another with a like numbers on top. In total, there will be 3 templates: the body, the lens holder, and the lens divider. Next, trim away any extra cardboard you may have. Working with a large box I salvaged from my recent move, I really only needed one side of the box. Once all the excess is cut away, lightly coat the cardboard with spray adhesive. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and press the 3 separate templates into place. Here is the not so fun part: cutting out every little nib with an X-Acto knife. I started by trimming away all the unnecessary outside pieces, then worked my way in. For all the tight corners or small spaces that need to be cut, it's easier to just perforate the cardboard by stabbing it repeatedly rather than trying to drag and cut, which will often end in you cutting off more than you need or want. The best advice for this part is to be patient. It's going to take you at least 30 to 45 minutes to cut everything out, and your hand will probably cramp up a time or two. I finished by cutting out all the rounded pieces last. You can try to use round objects that are close in radius to what you're cutting, but I chose to slowly freehand all the round cuts. Again, patience is key. Once everything is cut out, it's time to begin assembling. Insert the lenses into the 2 eye holes, paying attention to their orientation. The paper template tells you which direction the lenses should face. Fold the top third of the lens holder template down and the lower third up so that the middle panel is sandwiched between the two and the lenses can't fall out. Next, use a straight edge to help you make straight and sharp folds on all the lighter colored lines on the template. Place the ceramic magnet in its designated spot. I ended up gluing it, and then put the neodymium magnet on the opposite side of that same piece of cardboard, and start folding. Insert the lens holder with the divider and wrap the cardboard frame around it, lining up all the proper slots and grooves. When I folded mine up all the way, I noticed there was an extra flap I didn't need. So I cut it off and opened up the hole for access to the neodymium magnet, which will operate as your select button when using the headset. I added a touch of super glue to the inside of this panel and glued the headset shut. You could also use Velcro here if you choose. Next, add the Velcro strips to the top of the flap where you will later insert your phone, and optionally you can add an NFC tag to your cardboard. Program it by downloading the app Trigger and creating an action which will launch the...
I hope things are quite clear now. Last them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm going to repeat the steps again, and you can watch the video also and the steps also. What we have done, we have printed all the templates in color, and if you don't have the color printout, you can use that red color ball pen, and you have to glue the light numbers on the above the dark numbers, and do not cut the red lines. And these are the steps which that person have also spoken, and I have written in my slides also. But I don't want to waste your time, and I want to show you the exact cutting which I have done. It will take 30 to 40 minutes to make this Google Cardboard. This is the first step, the first printout. Can you acknowledge? Are you able to capture?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have done
Yes, sir.
cutting, I have done printing, and cutting is done. This is the second part,
Second part.
second template. Okay, you can see the cutting is not very fine. This was the first time I made it. Okay, and this is the
Okay.
third part. Third part again, notches have been cut down. Okay,
Okay.
and this is the process. This, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
This is the Google
Yes.
Cardboard.
Yes.
And how do you have to wear it? You have to play some virtual reality video here. I have to place my mobile here, and I have to close it, and I have to watch it through like this. Are you able to see, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this cost rupees just 200.
Okay.
Here are the top search results.
So you can see here, this was the I have done some closer picture also when I was doing the cutting, etc. This magnet, I don't have the magnet, so I have to skip this part. And this is a Velcro tape which I have fitted.
Okay.
This is again some sort of description. This was another cardboard I made, and unluckily it got broke due to some wear and tear. But
Okay.
finally I made this version.
Oh, very good, sir.
You can see here.
Yes.
This is my fourth cardboard. You can see the cardboard here. My daughters
Yes.
are very fond of drawing, and they have written some
Google Cardboard.
made by Sargam. You can see here the lenses
Yes,
are
sir.
being fitted. Similar things are also available. You can
Okay.
try it. This is the process. Okay.
Okay.
This is how to wear it on your head. This is how you have to wear it.
Wear it. Okay.
This is again, this is again, this is again. These all are the Google Cardboards. But
Okay.
this cost rupees 300. This cost rupees 200. This cost rupees 2,500. So depending on your budget, you can make anything which you want. Okay. So this is a more close-up view. But the important thing is the lens part. Okay. You might have seen I was not able to get magnet in any of. So the notches are still cut. I have cut the notches, and whenever I get a
Okay.
magnet, I will fix it there. I can remove this thing also.
Mm.
This thing is that second part which I've cut it and I've joined it. Since it is
Okay.
pasted now, let me try. No, it is pasted now. This is pasted.
Okay.
You have to fix it here only. Since this is a virtual mode, I can show this way only. I have to keep it inside here, and you have to fit the lenses here only in this notches, this space. Okay, and this is the Google Cardboard now.
Okay.
You have to fit the lenses in this part. You have to see keep the mobile here, and this space is 3 centimeter
Okay.
automatic. So don't
Ah.
worry about this space. Okay.
Okay.
You can tie some rubber bands here on both sides, some Velcro, and you can wear on your head.
Here.
You can watch it very clearly. Okay.
Okay.
So can we make it at your home? Yes. My dear
Yes.
friends, we can make it at home, but the thing is that you must have some good artistic skills. Making cost is very less, and please guide your uh, kids. Tell them about this thing, and definitely they will fall in love with making this thing. This is a small science project, okay? And our students also enjoy to watch. But till now, we have not watched any Google card, any video till now. So, Balasubramanian sir, please can you join once again? Let us watch something.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, keep your mobile phone with me, and can you do the one favor? Can you open your camera also, if it's comfortable?
Yes, yes, sir.
Please open YouTube in your mobile phone.
Okay.
Are you opening YouTube? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Go to the search box and type Bahubali. Have you watched that
Okay.
movie, sir? But
Yes,
type,
yes.
but type Bahubali VR.
Bahubali VR. Okay. VR video.
Okay. You will find the second option, 3D Bahubali. Click on that.
Yes, 3D Bahubali Part 5, it is coming here.
Just decrease the volume button.
Yes.
I'm going to show you on my screen also. You can share your screen also. My dear friends, are you able to see two things now? Are you able to see two videos for Bahubali?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is some of the scene from Bahubali movie. But
Yes.
yeah, Balasubramanian sir, do you agree there are two videos which you are watching?
Yes, yes, sir.
And if we insert this video, two videos in my mobile phone, although it is not possible for me to show you here, but I will show you something else. When you're watching through this Google Cardboard, sir, you will watch only single video.
Okay.
This is the concept of the virtual reality. In reality, there are two videos. Still, I'm opening
Yes.
my mobile phone and just see. Just see, there are two videos only.
Yes, yes.
But in reality, there are two videos. But when we watch through the Google Cardboard, it combines it into one. What
One,
it does,
yes.
it combines it to the depth and that 3 centimeter distance. When you watch
Yes.
these two videos at a distance of 3 centimeter, it gives depth to that image, and that 3D effect is now visualized as a single image. That's why the name is called
Yes.
virtual. Because
Virtual, yeah.
in reality, it is not a single image. In reality, it
Yeah.
is two only.
Okay.
Chaliye.
Yes, sir.
Sir, let us watch that small video through how that video is being visualized now through Google Cardboard. Let us see. This is the video which I've captured through the Google Cardboard. Somebody please confirm me. Is it visible? Sir, is it visible?
Yes, sir, but
Yeah, it is captured through the Google Cardboard. You can
okay,
see
yes.
this is a VR video.
Okay.
So this was just a small video which was showing the virtual reality effect which I've captured through the Google Cardboard. So you can also make the Google Cardboard more appealing if you have some nice cardboard. You can make like this also. You can make like this also. If you have some wooden skills, some sort of a carpentry skills, you can make a cardboard through the wood also. So it's also a nice experience. Okay, can somebody tell me what is the need of magnets here? Most of the people have been listening very carefully. Nobody has left the meeting, so all of you are present here. Can somebody tell me what is the need of magnets which we are missing here? Anybody? Girija Patros. Girija sir, can you please? Some people do not like to respond. No issue. Okay. Pawan one. Pawan, can you give some idea what is the need of magnets here?
Sir, it is for image stabilization or video stabilization purpose or something.
No, sir. Actually, when we are watching the video in our mobile phone, we are watching like this in this way. Let me add my mobile phone. Okay, so can you see here my face?
Yes.
What is the mechanism which I follow if I want to pause the video? Okay. So magnet acts like a pause button. And when I click on this side or when I click on this side, just pressing the magnet will pause that video. Because once a video is being played in my mobile phone, I cannot touch my mobile phone because it is being locked in that particular thing. Even here also it gets locked. Here also I have to keep my mobile phone and I insert it and it is being locked here. Now when I'm going to wear this on my headset, I cannot touch my mobile. Okay, so the magnet act as like a magnetometer. It is like a magnetometer, and magnetometers are just like act as a pause button in for your mobile phone. So it will pause your video whichever you are playing in your mobile phone. Is it clear, sir? So whatever the videos we are going to watch today, you cannot pause them because we don't have right now the magnets. Okay. I hope, sir, it is clear the purpose of magnet.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So how cardboard can be used in schools, in colleges, etc. See, Google Cardboard is designed to allow the student to become immersed learning experience. I was having a lecture around 2 months back in Karnataka, in some schools of Karnataka, where teachers of Karnataka school education they requested me to deliver about virtual reality, and I told them about this virtual reality concept and told how the education system has been entirely changing with the help of virtual reality. Let's watch this small video through which you get an idea that how our school kids are getting knowledge through the concepts of virtual reality about their subjects. Just watch this small video. So please confirm, is the video visible or not?
It's such a cool story.
So is it visible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, just watch it for 2 minutes.
Google is teaming up with hundreds of schools to take students around the world from inside their classrooms. This program is called Expeditions and it uses virtual reality. It actually can teleport students to far-flung places often seen in their textbooks. Benita Nair is at a New York City school using this technology. Benita, good morning.
Good morning. We're at Lab Middle School in Lower Manhattan, where the kids are doing in just a few moments. This is about one of 100 schools across the globe using this new virtual technology. We spoke with Google. They told us they came up with this idea after hearing from teachers who wanted to bring abstract concepts to life.
Hey, there's a scuba diver.
Google's new program is taking kids on field trips where no bus has ever gone. This 6th grade science class plunged deep into Australia's coral sea, getting 360-degree views of the Great Barrier Reef. The classroom scuba divers crisscrossed the planet to Ecuador's Galapagos Islands, getting an up-close look at sea lions far below the surface of the ocean.
It's actually pretty big. I mean, it's like a robin.
The students paused to take notes before losing themselves in the imagery again.
Okay, write down your observations at this point.
Their teacher, Allison Davis, guided the tour from her tablet, stopping periodically to discuss what they were seeing.
What tells us that the coral is thriving?
Yeah. They're really colorful. They're not like in the video we watched the whole bunch. They're not like bleached or anything.
The video is a big one. So, but you have got idea that how the school kids are loving to watch their science subjects or something related to oceans with the help of this Google Cardboard. They are using it. Okay, let us move forward now. Some other ideas which our students can use in our teaching pedagogy. You can have some educational YouTube videos also are there. I will tell you very wonderful thing about YouTube. Just wait for a few minutes. Something which you people might not have heard about YouTube. There are certain famous places you can explore. There are certain rhymes you can explore. Some tables can be explored. Some street views of famous cities, biology, medical science. All these are many applications where this virtual reality in the Google Cardboard is involved. So there are around 36 apps which I know personally, and out of this, 10 to 15 are in my are already in my mobile phone. So when they are activated, they split the screen into two half, and when you wear on your headset this cardboards, okay, they combine it into a single one, and you will get mesmerized by the virtual reality effects when they are created. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not going to discuss about any tool that how all these things can be developed, because today's lecture is about understanding virtual reality. At some other point of time, we may discuss about Vuforia or a Blender. There are tools for developing the virtual reality. But today's topic is not about the development. Today's problem is about the understanding of the virtual reality. This was a small video which I made during the lockdown period, uh, when our kids started getting bored of a roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride is a very funny ride, which many of might have seen in some amusement park also. So the good thing is that you have to move your head up and down, and you can just feel that how the kid get immersed in the dive of the ocean of the virtual reality. But just wearing on his or her headset, he or she can really get a very good experience of a roller coaster. Just watch this thing. It is not an actual roller coaster, but just a virtual video of the roller coaster, which I have created through the Google Cardboard. Just watch this. Somebody please confirm. Dr. Swasti, please confirm this video. Sir, is it visible?
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
This was I created during the COVID-19 time when we getting bored of sitting at home. This is a roller coaster watching through Google Cardboard. Just moving my head up and down, it will increase the speed or decrease the speed. This is I'm moving up, now coming down. What was happening in this video? I was just moving my head and moving up, and the speed of the roller coaster got increased, it got decreased with just my head movement only. Okay, this was another fantastic, entertaining sort of video which I created through the virtual reality. So the other things which you can do here, there are a number of apps available of the related to your subject, related to our engineering subject, related to biology. So what the engineering students can do with this virtual reality now. See, the engineering students can create some interactive virtual reality simulations for learning and teaching mechanical, electrical concepts, construction of a dumb device, some working of some individual components, some principal operations, some mathematical and physical descriptions. There are many things which you can do if you are very well equipped with the tools related to the virtual reality. But to visualize those things, we need this cardboard. Okay. So cardboard is a very effective and cost-effective device, because generally in our labs we don't spend so much money to buy these commercial cardboards. These are not commercial cardboard; these are VR boxes, and it costs around rupees 3,000. And if it's a class of say 30 students, so we cannot have 30 VR boxes. So but we can have 30 cardboard boxes. It's a very easy thing. Let's have some more fun now. We have seen Bahubali shortly. Let us see anatomy of our body. This is a certain biology related app which first I will show you without virtual reality, then I will show you with virtual reality. Just watch it because please can you jayega nahi? There are few videos which are very interesting one which you might have never seen in your life, especially the video which I told through which you can meet your loved ones who have left with you. So just watch this small video. We will watch the anatomy of our body, inside of our body, without Google Cardboard and with Google Cardboard. Okay, just wait it. Is it visible? Visible? Fatima, is it visible?
Sir, visible, sir.
We are watching without virtual reality now. What mic is on, please unmute yourself. This is with virtual reality. So, Swastham, can you conclude what was happening in this two videos? Swastham, can you conclude what was happening in these two videos?
Yes, sir. In the first one, without lens, you showed us. So there two different videos were playing, and in the second one, when you are moving. When you are moving through the Google Lens, we were able to see the virtual reality, like
The actual
as a
description.
single one.
Yeah, a single one, and actually how you can perceive that if any student is studying biology or studying the
Yeah,
internal
you can
structure.
see in depth.
Yeah, you can see. Ma'am, now please everybody do one thing: open Play Store and download this app now.
Okay.
Just a few. It will take 1 minute only. Please go to Play Store and download this app, Living Heart for Cardboard Viewer. Just download this app. You need to download. Just tell me. To download, open that app. We are left with just 20 minutes only, so please be with me for the next 20 minutes. There are very nice things which we'll discuss now. I will tell you number of apps also today. Has someone downloaded? Balasubramanian sir, can you please acknowledge?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, when I type, I am not getting. There are
Yes, the
other
same
new.
thing. Yeah, I'm also searching, sir.
Then leave it. Sometimes they might have removed this app, so don't worry. Okay, my dear friends, this is some Living Heart which was freely available, but I have done some recording for you. Just watch, then we will move further. These are some biological parts. Okay, let us see. This is heart without the Google Cardboard. Do something. See how heart working of heart. It's not very easy to perceive, but now watch with virtual reality. Very close effect, very This is the heart, how it's pumping. You can see very close. It resembles some sort of rabbit in actual. That app was available right now. It might have been removed from the Play Store. So now, if in reality, you can watch the heart, pumping of the heart. The biological applications are very numerous one. So a very important thing now. Let us see how Google Cardboard was able to save the life of one baby. This is one fantastic application. See, somebody's mic is on. Please mute yourself. Somebody's mic is on. Can you please mute? Dr. Swasti, I think your mic is on. Can you please mute?
No, sir, my mic is not on, sir.
Leave it.
Just now I made.
Okay. There was some bit of sound disturbance. So, my dear friends, let us proceed further. Please don't leave for the next 15 minutes only, because I know you have been listening for me from since 9 in the morning, and we are coming towards the end of the session. But there is some beautiful videos which you are going to see again. Google, with the help of Google Cardboard, how it was able to save the life of one baby. Okay, just watch it once again. दर्शक मेरा 4 बजे कॉल कर what happened here, the doctors came across some child having some disease, and they were not able to figure the place of the abnormality in the heart. So they took CT images of that child and converted into a 3D model with the help of some tool called Fab Sketch, and they were able to visualize that 3D model in the Google Cardboard, and they were able to figure the abnormality. Just see this small video, you will get the whole complete idea how this cardboard saved the life of a small kid.
Okay, it may not be the Oculus Rift, but a $20 cardboard contraption and a smartphone team up to save the life of a baby, and it's just one of the top stories across America.
Tegan Lexon was born with only one lung and half a heart. She was declared inoperable until Miami doctors put photos of her heart into Google Cardboard.
I see the baby's heart. I see it in 3D. I can see it from the front, the back. I can see it from the top, and I can see it from the bottom.
The extra angles let doctors plan a surgery, and after a 7-hour operation, baby Tegan is expected to make a full recovery.
Minutes and millimeters make the difference between getting it right and getting it wrong. Once we saw these images, we said, wait a second, we can figure this out. I think this is the difference between her living and dying.
At number 2, a different kind of creativity. In downtown Chicago, where you expect to see...
So this is a beautiful video through which the Google Cardboard, by the help of Google Cardboard, the doctors were able to save the life of a small kid. We have seen many medical applications. We have seen many educational applications. Recently, I think in the year 2018 or 2019, there is an amusement park in Mumbai called SL World. You might have heard about SL World also. They have also, yes, Yashwani, okay, thank you very much. I suppose, do you want to ask something, or have you visited SL World? Yes, Yashwani, what do you want to ask? Or you might have been knowing about SL World. Okay, so what the SL World people have done, they have also added virtual reality to the amusement park. Let us see that video, that how this virtual reality and Google Cardboard, not exactly they are using Google Cardboard, they are using this VR boxes, how this is playing a very important role, because it is a commercial amusement park and the ticket cost is also around 500 to 700 for that particular ride also. So you can see here, they are using this sort of boxes, but the effect, in the essence, it is virtual reality. Let's watch that small video. Then we will proceed toward the apps. I will tell you number of apps also today. Just wait for a minute. Something else is open. Please confirm, is the video visible? Swasti ma'am?
Yes, sir.
You can see the faces of those kids. How fascinating this virtual reality has made there right now. So what other things you can do here? You can learn virtual reality technology with a very low cost. You can provide some immersive training, some demo of your engineering product, and even if you can give your as a gift also to your loved ones on some festival like Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Pongal, New Year. New Year is coming now. Christmas is coming now. So hopefully you can gift it as to your loved ones. This sort of things. We have seen how it has transformed the education system, and similar thing we want for our Indian education system also. So this is a image of a Google Cardboard which I captured. There are some tools to learn virtual reality and augmented reality. Augmented reality I explained in the morning itself. It was Blip AR, and the tools for virtual reality are Blender and Unity. They are quite a big tool. And earlier I have a plan to teach you a tool called Guri VR, but due to the paucity of the time duration given to me, I could not be able to touch Guri VR. It was a very good tool about virtual reality, but anyhow, at some other place of time, we will discuss Guri VR. Eon Reality is a very wonderful application for virtual reality. If you want to tell to your students or to kids, Tilt Brush Gallery is a very virtual reality application. Another applications are NYT VR, North Face Climb, Words of Word VR. Okay, you can download it and you can watch some mechanical related effects also in many videos available here. These are some other videos like Star Wars, NYT VR. You can have the screenshot. Discovery VR is another important app. Google Street View is another application of VR. Okay, let us do something good now. Balasubramanian sir, please do the favor once again.
Yes, sir.
Sir, now open anything on YouTube. Everybody do this with me. I'm requesting Balasubramanian sir to open anything on YouTube. Anything. Are you on your mobile phone, sir? Have you opened YouTube?
Just a second, sir.
Just type anything. Just type anything. Open any video of you which you like.
Just a second.
So can you share your mobile also? Can you open your camera?
Yeah.
No, I want you to open your camera also.
Yeah, once. What I'm sure I'm meeting, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, you are just open any video which you're watching it. Any video.
Just a second, sir. I'm just going.
You keep on watching my also. Just keep it. Okay, something. Okay, it's a good thing. You have make it as a big screen, full screen. So, can you able to see that there are 3 dots here on the left side? Just see once again.
Yes,
there are 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots.
Yes.
There is a 4th option. Watch in VR. Click it.
Watch in VR. Yes.
Click it.
Yes, it's asking for continue. Experience YouTube in VR.
Yeah,
place your phone in a VR headset.
Yeah, just see what happened now.
Continue. So it is coming as a stereo view. Yeah.
No,
2 images.
Yeah, just show the 2 images. So, Subramanian sir, that yeah, please everybody see it. Now the YouTube has provided this facility that you can convert any video. Okay, sir, it's fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Please, my dear friends, Google has updated the YouTube and make the VR content very easily available to all of us. What they have done, they have provided this VR option, and now to watch this thing on my mobile phone, whatever things you are watching here on a VR mode, you need a Google Cardboard. And Subramanian sir, please make sure this application is not available on the desktop version. Okay, this is only
Okay.
available on the app version of the
App
YouTube.
version, yeah, yes.
So YouTube has made this thing. You can understand what is the significance of the virtual reality nowadays, that every video on the YouTube is available in the VR mode now. Not only the Bahubali VR. Okay, Bahubali VR was a deliberately video which was made available in the VR mode, but now every video which you watch on the YouTube app is available in VR mode. Okay, so this is a new thing which you might not have heard about. So the YouTube has included a dedicated cardboard button now. You have get your cardboard and watch any video which you want in the virtual reality mode. You can take split any YouTube video and watch it any number of times. Okay, but this option is not compatible with the smartphone, and you need a cardboard VR to experience it. Okay, so my dear friends, I'm coming towards the end of my lecture now. Now I'm going to show a small another last video in which through the virtual reality, not exactly they are using Google Cardboard, they are using some future virtual reality component through which a mother is able to meet her daughter who has died. Okay, so watch this last video. This is a bit emotional video, but let's see this video first. Somebody please confirm me, is the video? Is the video visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a bit emotional video, so please watch it very carefully.
Even though grief-stricken mother Jung Ji-sung knew the encounter wouldn't be real, she desperately wanted to reconnect with her daughter whichever way she could. Donning a virtual reality headset and touch-sensitive gloves, she was able to enter the world they once knew in a park they regularly visited. See Na-yeon, hear her, and feel her. Maybe it's a real paradise. I met Na-yeon, who called me with a smile for a very short time, but it's a very happy time. I think I've had the dream I've always wanted. Na-yeon passed away in 2016 from a rare disease. She was the third of 4 siblings who were also there for the moving reunion. The show is part of a Korean series called Meeting You, which is designed to give relatives a chance to say goodbye to lost loved ones, possibly bringing them closure. In this episode, Ji-sung promised her virtual daughter to stop living in guilt and perhaps even move on from grieving. She hopes her experience will help other families dealing with a similar loss, but some experts say this method in doing so might do more harm than good. It's very real as well. It's very raw, this grief, and makes you a little bit uncomfortable to be looking at someone's very deep grief, and you are just kind of left wondering what is it that they wanted to achieve with this. Advances in
So this was which a mother was able to meet her daughter, through this virtual reality application. So we must be thankful to this technology. This was the last video which I was discussing. So let's move toward the end of the lecture now. Just stop sharing the thing. Just 1 second. Okay, there are some other apps which are related for your children also. Some of the apps are called Body VR. You can have a screenshot and you can tell your kids also. In Mind VR, 4D Anatomy, Apollo 12 VR, Google Expedition, Ocean Rift. What are the advantages of Google Cardboard? We have seen many advantages. Learning makes easier. You don't need to go to the actual location. Provide a real virtual interaction. Low cost is a very important factor which we discussed today. Disadvantage is that very few developers are available in the market. The softwares are really less, not very big one. And some sort of simulation sickness also comes on ahead if you continuously wear it for 30 to 40 minutes. So this is a bit disadvantage. But considering the virtual reality effects, these are very minimal things. It is getting a lot of competition from Oculus Rift and Project Morpheus, but they're the bigger players in the market, and they are a bit costly one and for very high resolution and hardcore for gamers. But for the learning purpose, for a virtual reality at a low cost effectiveness, Google Cardboard is the fantastic thing. So you can use it in your schools, in your education, in your teaching. Okay, students can bring their own Google Cardboard at any point of time, and maybe in the coming days you can customize that. And then companies may, in some international or national conferences, the companies may be giving this as a free. Earlier we used to get pen drives when we were attending conferences before this COVID-19. Maybe in the coming days, you people or we people will be getting Google Cardboards as a free, as a token for some conference. So this thing will be very popular in the coming days. We have seen this video. So what will be the future of virtual reality? So many people were not fond of using Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp till 2018. And after that, this scenario keeps on changing. It is now very popular one. Similar thing will happen with virtual reality also. So our common masses will be very addicted to virtual reality in the coming years to come. So Shobha ma'am have organized this FDP in the offline mode. So your group photo might be having like this one. Everybody watching with some virtual effect, and you might have created one VR Google Cardboard by yourself, and this could be the group photo of you all people. So this is a takeaway for your home today. In the morning, I discussed about AR, Blip AR. We discussed very good videos, and I hope you enjoyed that session. And in this session, I discussed about Google Cardboard, some other videos, some virtual reality. And I hope you got a difference between the AR and VR very effectively now. In AR, you were watching my room, you are watching your room, you are watching virtual objects. But in here, you are just watching the virtual effects only. So this are the certain acknowledgement I want to acknowledge. And this is the end of my lecture. Still, if you want to ask me something, I am here for the next 5 to 10 minutes also. Else, this is end from my side. Dr. Shobha, are you there, or anybody from the coordinator side? Anybody can ask anything which you want. Dr. Swasti, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay.
Sir, it's really an interactive session, sir. Really hope everyone enjoyed the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much for it, sir.
Whenever we get some chance to speak to each other, the main thing is, especially in this mode, is the interactivity, because we are not able to talk to each other. We are not able to see each other. The only thing is interactivity. And this virtual reality is relatively a new pedagogy, which we will introduce in our teaching curriculum also in the coming years to come. So definitely we, either from any background, we are from CSC or IT or from any other branch, you have to learn these technologies to to add some flavor in your pedagogy, because we cannot teach it only by showing some PPTs or showing some multimedia. We need to add some VR effects also in our video.
Sir, one more, actually my query was that mother and child VR video you are showing. So there, no, so see that a mother is touching, trying to touch that kid. So it depends on, see, what I feel is some movie, I mean, some video has been made, and with that video, the mother is interacting.
No. I missed the, it is a 30 minutes video where I showed you just a small glimpse only. It is a virtual reality video of the daughter created, and the dialogues and the other things were programmably fed in that video. Okay. I will send you a link of that complete video. It is a 30 minutes video where only mother can see that daughter. Other person cannot. If you're not wearing that headset, nobody can see the daughter. Nobody can touch the daughter.
Yeah, that I can understand. My question is, see, actually it is pre-made. That video was pre-made, no? So suppose if as a mother, if that mother is asking something and if she's
That's
trying
it.
to cuddle, so
I got
that's
it. I got it. I got
that
it. The emotions, what are the reply?
emotions,
Ma'am,
obviously emotions won't be there.
emotions are not there. The reply was all the things were computer made only.
Yes.
But the
okay,
mother was
okay.
a non-technical person. She was not having any idea about the virtual reality.
Uh-huh.
She was just see somehow if you got some chance to meet some people
Yeah,
either
that
through
is that
VR
is true.
mode. That is the you
That is true.
since we are computers, we are going into the technicality.
No, I'm asking in technical way only.
Technically, the questions and answers were automatically fed in the system. The only thing was that mother was able to visualize her daughter and certain questions she asked her to her, and the daughter replied. All the things were programmed. But only thing was that it in the essence it was virtual reality. She was not her daughter. It was a virtual daughter only. That's why the name is called virtual reality.
Yeah. But what I was thinking is, see, some in airports and all, they have placed some. It is not about virtual reality. Actually, they have placed some statues where it will interact with you. So if you ask something, it will answer you. So
That is artificial intelligence, ma'am.
artificial. So you can. So what I was thinking is, AI can be, I mean, merged into this.
Yeah, it can be merged, ma'am. All fields are
Yeah.
interdisciplinary.
Yeah.
AI can be added, but since VR itself is a very new concept, so it will
Yes.
take 2 to 3 years to add.
Yeah, just
AI.
while watching the video, just it was coming to my mind.
It's a very good thing. This will be the future scope of the virtual reality. Very nicely perceived this thing. Okay. Is Shobha ma'am there? Or somebody else from the coordinator side? Okay, you all might be tired from the morning itself. So thank you, my dear friends. I think the coordinator might be busy in some other activity. Let me ask them once again. Who is the name of the person of the coordinator? First one, can you tell what is the name of the professor who's doing chatting in the morning?
Selvi, Dr. Selvi, she was from RMK.
Dr. Selvi was from anyhow. They might be busy in some other work because they might
I
have.
think Miss Pavitra is just writing some messages. So she must be from the college. Pavitra madam.
Okay. Pavitra ma'am, is it over from my side? Can you please acknowledge? Okay, I hope Shobha ma'am has written some message to me. Okay, no issue. Somebody they have some other assignments. No issue. Okay, thank you, my dear friends. I'm just sharing my email ID. Someone has asked me also. You can note down this. This is my email ID and this is my WhatsApp number. You can ask anything, anytime. Thank you, the organizers. Thank you, RMD College. Thank you, Shobha ma'am. Thank you to my dear friends. Thank you, R. Devi Kala ma'am, Puna Vaji Parikhan. I'm sorry, I'm not comfortable with the South Indian names, but all are very good and you attended very nicely. And I beg your pardon if we have disturbed you, because this is my way of pedagogy by having but some more interaction with you people. And see you some other day, some other point of time. And thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much from the participants.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Shobha ma'am is here. Thank you, Shobha ma'am, once again for calling me.